In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use negative index in lists.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Okay, so I am going to press right mouse button on my project name. Then I will choose new and Python file. Let me give it some name. Suppose it's list3. Click on OK. Okay, right. So now what I am going to do is let me first give a comment. An index of a list can be negative. There won't be any error message. There is not going to be any error. But what does it mean to have a negative index? See, if I give suppose -1, the negative index -1, it would mean to be the last element of the list, last item of the list. For example, suppose I have a list called states, whereby I am writing the names of some Indian provinces, Indian states, Punjab, Haryana, and third one is Himachal, and let the fourth one be, say, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, right. So now what I am going to do is I would write print, okay, then name of the list states, within square brackets I would write -1. So on the face of it, it looks that this is erroneous because -1 index shouldn't be there. But in Python, if you give -1 index of the list, it will mean that this is your last element. So in this case, it will refer to Andhra Pradesh in this example. Okay, so let me execute this program. Press the right mouse button on the name list3, then click on run, and now we will see the result. Okay, the state is not defined. Okay, actually the problem is, as I have told you, the variable names are case sensitive in Python. So here at the time of giving the values, assigning the values, S was capital. So in case of print also, the states, S of states should have been capital. Okay, now see the result, Andhra Pradesh. So -1 index refer to the last element, last item of the list. Now to prove it further, let me write print states -2 within square brackets. Now we will see what is the output. Now of course the output would be the second last item. So second last item will be printed. So let's go to this program, press the right mouse button and run. Yeah, this is Himachal. This was second last item of the list because I have supplied the index -2. On the same lines, you can yourself check out like writing print states -3, then you can write print states as you know is the name of the list, and -4. Now we will see the result, states -4. Okay, so let us execute the program, and the whole output will be in front of you. Press the right mouse button on the program name, go to run. Yeah, this is it, as you can see. So the whole list has been printed in the reverse order.